requested to support us and help their votes to understand this chapter, this poem through this video. So here I am going to start. First of all, I am going to read this poem. Say what you want. Mean what you say. Remember the darkest light of the day. The first stanza, the poet wants to say that we are free to speak whatever we want to say, but this should be truth, because a person, a child who speaks the truth is loved by everyone. Telling lie and false promise lead us darkest light of the day. Darkest light means problem and trouble of the life. So, if you speak lie, you can get problem in your life. So, speak always truth for problem-free life. The second stanza is be who you are. So, do as you please. The truth is going to bring your needs. The second stanza, poet emphasizes that whatever you are, be that only. Don't try to follow others. Make your own personality. Bring your needs means a person or a child who speaks truth. Truth makes him humble, gentle, and he is loved by everyone. Now come to the third stanza. The truth is that we all need. The truth is the end of a mystery. Here, mystery means puzzle. So, truth is needed every time by everyone. If you tell lie, it brings confusion. But if you speak truth, it brings no confusion. It makes our life problem-free. Everyone likes to listen truth. No one likes lie. So speak the truth. The third stanza is the truth is out there. You will see. The truth is out there for you and me. Means truth is fact. The meaning of this stanza is truth is everywhere. Wherever you see the person who speaks truth, they are happy all the time. They never feel regrets about what they have spoken. The happiness proves that about the truth prevails everywhere. The fifth stanza is the truth is out there. The search is not in vain. The truth is out there in pain. Means truth is everywhere. Truth is in everywhere present in the nature, even in the tree and rain also. And if one's search of truth will never go in vain. Vain means व्यर्थ हो जाना. मतलब truth की सच्चाई के लिए जो खोज करते हैं वो कभी भी व्यर्थ नहीं जाता है. The last one is say what you want, but you better believe the truth is a goal we all must achieve. The last line, these 4 lines tell us that whatever you want, say that only, but speak the truth. In your life, your goal should be to achieve the truth, to speak truth and achieve the goal. So here, student, I have tried to make out this poem through this video. Whenever the class will be conducted, that time again I will explain this lesson in the class. Thank you.
Let us start with the first question of this chapter. This is comprehension. A1. Read the poem carefully and choose the correct answer. So 1 is say what you want, mean what you say. This line means there are 3 options. A. One should talk all the time. B. One should not make false promises. And C. One should not talk at all. So the right answer is B number. One should not make false promises. Now move to the 2 number. The question is be who you are, do as you please. Here the narrator wants us to A. Behave like other people do. B. Behave badly. And C. Be natural and not copy others people. So the right answer is the narrator wants to say us C. Be natural and not copy other people's. Now move to the 3 number. The truth is the end of a mystery. This means, what is the meaning of this line? A number, here are also the 3 options. A number, truth is the only thing that can remove all confusion. B number, truth causes mysterious thing to happen. And C number, being truthful is difficult. So the right answer is A number. Truth is the only thing that can remove all confusion. Now move to the 4 number. The truth is out there, the search is not in vain. This line means A number, it is difficult to be truthful. B number, no one is truthful in this world. And C number, the search for truth is always rewarding. So the right answer is C number, the search for truth is always rewarding. Now move to the 5th number. The truth is a goal we all must achieve. Here the narrator wants to say that what does he want to say? A number, we should try to be truthful all the time. B number, being truthful is not the right thing to do. And the C number, being truthful can be harmful. So what is the right answer? A number, we should try to be truthful all the time. So here we have completed the comprehension A1. Now move to the question number A2, that is answer these questions. The question is, first, what can lead us to see the darkest light of the day according to you? The answer is, according to me, making false promises and telling lie can lead us to see the darkest light of the day. The second one is, what does the poet mean when he says that the truth is going to bring you to your knees? The answer of the second is, when the poet says that the truth is going to bring you to your knees, it means if you speak the truth all the time, it makes you humble and gentle, and you can get respect by everyone. So question number 3, do you think telling lie may get you into embarrassing situation? Explain. Yes, answer is yes. We all know that truth is the only thing that can remove all the problem, whereas telling lie leads us to confuse and problem. That is why telling lie may get us into embarrassing situation. Now question number 4 is, where can you find truth? The answer is, truth is found everywhere in the nature. Truth is found everywhere in the nature. Now come to the 5th number. What is the goal we all must achieve? Why? The answer is, our goal should be only to tell the truth, to get success and respect in every aspect of life. So students, I have given all the answer of these 5 questions.
Thanks for watching.